Too many people are simply looking for a quick way to make money instead of actually thinking about an important key aspect of their business. In fact, it's an issue that's even higher in significance and importance than their whole future businesses put together. And if this is your approach too, meaning if you ignore this part, it's not just that your chances to succeed decrease considerably, but even if you do succeed and you start making money online, you won't be able to enjoy your success or keep it long term. And yeah, this is backed up by many studies, by the way. Hi everyone, I'm Diana. I'm a business mentor, I'm a business coach and serial entrepreneur. And I teach people how to reach time freedom fast by building a smart, automated, scalable, purpose-driven, for those who care, and I believe you should care, online business. If you are interested in learning more about this topic, just click subscribe. And stick to the end, where I give you my surprise bonus tip, like always, for those of you who are patient enough to watch till the end. So, what's the hidden big reason why so many online entrepreneurs fail? They completely neglect thinking deeply about and defining their why and their vision. They think it's unimportant. They think it's completely irrelevant, some of them. They can't neglect defining their mission, obviously. No business which does this can make it. But they think vision is like philosophy, so who needs it? Who cares about a big why? Who cares, about a bigger purpose if the business is or isn't aligned with their core values? Well, if you think vision statements and boards are a waste of time, then I'm afraid the joke is on you, my friend. So stop rolling your eyes, okay, and hear me out. If this is how you think, that thinking about your vision is a waste of time, it's not that your chances to fail majorly increase, as I was saying, but you won't make as much money as you could, and you won't keep your success long term. And finally, you will struggle a lot more while building your business. Now, let me explain why. But first, for those who don't know the difference between mission and vision, I know there are some people who are just starting their entrepreneurial journey, so let me define the two. Mission, you can't have a business unless you define it, as I was saying. Mission statements, they answer questions like, what do you do? Your business idea? Whom do you serve? Your target audience? And it has to be kind of very narrowed down. How do you serve them? What's your business model? I guess you see why you can't have any business without answering those questions. A vision statement, on the other hand, would answer questions such as your ultimate why for your life. What's the ideal future you want to create through your business for your life? In what way will your business be aligned with your core values? What are these core values? What ultimate impact do you want your business to have on your community, on your industry, on the world? What will the culture of your business look like, and how will that play out in clients, collaborators, freelancers, future employees' lives? Who and what is your business trying to inspire? A vision statement should also translate into clear financial goals. So here are some examples of vision statements. LinkedIn. Create economic opportunity for every member of the global workforce. Sounds clear, no? Habitat for Humanity. A world where everyone has a decent place to live. I love that. Ben & Jerry's. Making the best ice cream in the nicest possible way. I had no clue they had this vision statement, and I love it. Now I understand why their ice cream is so tasty. And my own business. I'll take my own business as an example. Time-saving hustle. Assist people, particularly women, in achieving more time freedom and more joy through their online businesses. Escaping oppressive, unhealthy work environments. So that would be my vision statement. And the answers to the 3 questions, in my case. First question, the why for my time-saving hustle courses and coaching. Well, after experiencing many types of businesses, some firsthand, many others indirectly through my clients, I want a lifestyle business, not a growth one, with a lean team that will help me achieve a certain well-defined lifestyle, which is also fully aligned with my values. Not going into details here because I don't think you care about the exact elements of this lifestyle, but they are very well defined in my mind and on paper, and they are written down. Second question, My core values. Number 1 is freedom. Time freedom to spend with my loved ones, to explore whatever I want to explore, this wonderful planet, to pursue other interests too, and I have many, to make the world a better place as much as I can, by placing effectiveness before efficiency, by focusing on the Pareto rule and applying it to all the areas of my life, by automating my business in smart ways, those are some of the ways I build my time freedom. So freedom is truly a hugely important value for me, and not just professionally. I also care about spiritual freedom. A lot to say here, and not the purpose of this video, but you can check out my channel and watch the videos where that I produced around my Christian faith and my testimonials on the topic. Both my time-saving hustle courses are built with this main purpose in mind: help you build your time freedom. My second core value, that is also a core value for my business: wisdom that leads to balance. And when I say wisdom, I define it as the Bible does. You can read Proverbs in the Bible and you'll understand. And why balance? Why is balance important? Well, again, because I hate burnout. I have experienced it several times, in fact, twice, and I don't want it in my life. You don't want to reach business and financial success at the price of your character, right? Or the price of your peace, or the price of your relationships or health. If you do, I'm certainly not the right business coach for you. Third value, integrity, truth. This is mandatory because of my Christian worldview. As I mentioned before, I do my best to avoid technology, that is intentionally deceptive for the sake of profit, like fake urgency, fake scarcity apps, etc. I'm also transparent about my Christian beliefs, as you probably have noticed by now if you've been following me. For my coaching, I also use a thorough application questionnaire because I want to make sure that the deal is a win-win for my clients and myself. Finally, my fourth value, style and grace. They may seem completely unimportant, especially for business owners, but they make me happy and they make me more productive and they inspire me to be my best, so they're not unimportant for me. Both my time-saving hustle courses, they use visual summaries that are not just very effective when it comes to increasing understanding, memory, but they also make the learning more fun and prettier, I believe. Third question, what ultimate impact do I want my business to have? Well, you already know, I think, how I want to impact my community and the world through my business. Help those of you who want to escape oppressive, unhealthy work environments, build their own businesses, and gradually enjoy more time freedom, which I think is so important. But I have more here. I want to support some clear, specific causes in the world. Again, not the time now to detail, but this has been part of my life for a long time. Finally, fourth, financial goals. All of the above translates into some specific financial goals. I have them in my mind and I also keep them handy along with the vision statement and part of my brand book. Also, I kind of post it in front of me so I remember who I'm talking to. Now, let's see why all of this, having a vision, not just a mission, is important. I promise to give you some arguments. First, it will help you overcome the challenges and hard times more than anything else. And you will encounter hard times as an entrepreneur, okay? By helping your decision making, decreasing time and stress, and helping you maintain focus and be consistent. It will provide a focal point for goal setting and business planning. Managing your business in line with your core values will majorly decrease stress and therefore free your mental space for more creativity and for learning smart strategies. And this is no small thing, especially long term. It helps you attract and motivate the right talent and the right clients. It is unifying, it is inspiring, and it acts as a guide through challenges for all the people involved in your business, okay? It definitely attracts the right people, clients, employees, freelancers, which means you will enjoy your work a lot more and your results will be better for that matter. Simply because, collaborating with the right team will make such a huge difference down the line. You will be able to really measure your progress, compared to the financial goals you have. Seeing how you perform based on your financial goals will help you change and adapt faster, right? So, what is your vision? First, for yourself, how do you want to change? How do you want to impact the world around you? How do you want to improve it? What kind of impact do you want to make around, in your own community, with your close ones? You should ask yourself those questions, because your business will influence your life a lot. What do you want? Why do you want an online business? What are the goals for it? There are so many reasons, someone might decide to start their own online business. Maybe they want freedom. Maybe they want the flexibility of working from anywhere. Or maybe they want to be their own bosses, they want more control over their work life. Maybe they have a great business idea and they know they can be successful online. Even if there is no greater cause than the things that I just mentioned, just write them down. Try to define what kind of life you really want, including what it would mean financially for the first 3 to 4 years, let's say. Also, think about the core values that will apply to your business. And finally, think how your future business could positively influence others, Even if it's just your clients or people who work for you, or close ones, loved ones. All of these will help you a lot down the road. Having this clear vision for what you want your business to achieve, as I said, will keep you going when things get tough. And your why is what will motivate you to stick to your vision. Without these two things in place, it will be very difficult to stay the course when challenges inevitably arise. That said, developing a vision and figuring out your why can be tricky, and for some more than for others. It does require introspection and thinking about what's important to you, and not being superficial about the whole process. Now, if you're not sure if you want an online business, or you're not sure at all about your idea, your business model, then my free training, How to Build an Online Business with Passive Income Potential, Creating Your Time Freedom, will give you many valuable tips. And the exercises of the challenge will help you get very clear, strong, reliable answers in terms of business ideas and models you should try. It's just 1 hour, but it covers many topics. The 3 must-have components of a highly profitable online business that has passive income potential. Why starting with a high-meaning, high-value service rather than a product is a faster route to profits, based on my experience at least, and I have experience with 3 online business models out of the 7 I mentioned. The Cashflow Quadrant, and how you can build your time freedom by automating and scaling your business from the start, rather than burning the candle at both ends, as many burnout self-employed do. Now, I promised a bonus tip. Here it is. Here is why vision is so important. Simon Sinek said that if you want to give your business the biggest chances to succeed, it's not just that you need a vision statement. And by the way, he calls vision your just cause. But your vision, your just cause, also needs to be resilient, inclusive, and service-oriented. Resilient, able to withhold cultural, political, technological, economic change even. Inclusive, the very words you use are an invitation for those who believe what you believe, and they have the power to inspire, and you have to remember that. 3, service-oriented. I think that's kind of clear, right? The primary benefit goes to those other than the contributor, other than you. Do let me know in the comments below if this was helpful. If you're still around, then you deserve an even better bonus tip. Can you make it visual, that vision? Can you post it in front of your eyes, You can do this board on Pinterest, for example, and you can print it in colors, or simply make a photo collage. A vision board is a physical representation of your goals, the goals that you're aiming to achieve. It is a collage of items that are meant to kickstart your imagination, to help you visualize those goals. So, if you place it in front of your eyes, it will simply be a constant source of inspiration and positive emotions. So do that and see the amazing impact it will have on your productivity. And if you want to know what is absolutely necessary to include in your online business, if you want time freedom and passive income potential from the start, then you should definitely watch my video, What Would I Do If I Wanted to Build a 6-Figure Business Fast?